ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் தமிழ் பேசுகிறேன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் வந்து டிஎன்பிஜிடிஆர்பி. நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சரில் வந்து 2012 வந்து ஒரு எக்ஸாம் வச்சாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த 2012 வச்ச பிஜிடிஆர்பி எக்ஸாமோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வித் ஆன்சர்ஸ். ஸோ இதில் வந்து ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் கரெக்டாக தான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், 99.9%. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் சர்ச் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க, தப்பாக இல்லையான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆன்சர் தப்பாக இருந்தால் கூட கமெண்டில் வந்து போடுங்க, சரிங்களா? அது உங்களுக்காக எடுத்த கொஸ்டின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர், ரிவைஸ்டு கொஸ்டின். இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்துடலாம். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்: டேஸ் இன் அ ஃபிகர்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஸ்பீச் பை விச் ஒன் சீக்ஸ் டு ஹைட் அ ரியல் நேச்சர் ஆஃப் சம்திங் அன்பிளசன்ட். ஆன்சர் வந்து எஃபிமிசம். Second one: English language took its descent from the Dash language group, primitive Germanic language group. Dash adopted a vigorous policy of England for the English. Hubert D. Burke. Fourth question: the Dash falls back on the tendency of imitation of movement. அதாவது டெண்டன்சி இமிட்டேஷன் இருக்கிற மூமெண்ட் வந்து என்னென்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிங் டாங் தியரி. ஃபிஃப்த் ஒன் வந்து இந்த வேர்ட் சாப்போட்டேஜ் பிகம் ப்ராமினன்ட் டியூ டு த இங்கிலீஷ் நியூஸ் பேப்பர். Dash is an overall term for the growing class of novels which departs from realism and foreground the role of author and reader in inventing and receiving the fiction. Metafiction. Okay, seventh question: the term postmodernism is often applied to literature and art after World War II. பாருங்க ஃபுல்லாக அந்த கொஸ்டின் 2012 ஆன்சர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பாருங்கள். To achieve amendment effect, Bridget employed a detached narrator and other devices to achieve alienation effect. A does is intended by the author to be read rather than to be performed. Closet drama. Does incorporates not only historical characters and events but also reports of everyday events in contemporary newspapers. Documentary fiction. The whole action of the Tempest takes place in one day. Dash is a goddess of witchcraft in Macbeth. Hecate. இது ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு கொஸ்டின். Macbeth is Macbeth is Dash general, Scottish. Macbeth வந்து ஸ்காட்டிஷ் ஜென்ரல். Octavius calls Antony back to Rome from Alexandria in order to help him fight against Sextus Pompey. Caliban mistakes the dash for one of Prospero's spirit sent to torment him. Trinculo. The name of the ship in Moby Dick is Pequod. ஈஸியாக கேட்டிருக்கான் 2012 questions. Death is portrayed as a shooter. The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn satirized a dash society that has ceased to exist about 20 years before the work was published. Southern Antebellum. Mending Wall appeared in Robert Frost's collection of poetry called North of Boston. The pulley emphasized that if a man is given dash, he will not adore God, but his gift, rest. Antony compels Dash to kill him and then take his life if he should. Ventidius. Mirabell arranges a marriage between Dash and Foible. Waitwell. Dash rises Hatton during the early year of his life. Nelly. Lamb loved a young lady whom he refers as Alice Winterton in his Essays of Elia. After the Box Hill party, Unravaged Pride of Quietness is the opening line of Ode on a Grecian Urn. William Hazlitt had great admiration for S.T. Coleridge. Dash refuses to have the priest hear his confession in The Power and the Glory. The Gringo. Tradition and Individual Talent by T.S. Eliot was published in The Egoist. Dash is Willis' boss. Howard Wagner. The scholar's influences in The American Scholar consist of three influences: dash the past, books and action, nature and the past. The rich daughter of an industrialist in the steel business referred to Yonk as a filthy beast. The title Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf is a pun on the title of the song Who is Afraid of the Big Bad Wolf from Walt Disney's The Three Little Pigs. The Old Man and the Sea centers upon Santiago. A streetcar named Desire deals with the dash class between two characters, Blunchy Dubious and Stanley Kowalski. Cultural. Dash comes to visit Kumulo and practices Lulu, Arthur's son. Baroka gives Lucknell the traditional greeting and is displaced to get a dash one in return. European. நம்ம சேனலில் கொடுத்துருக்குற எல்லாமே வந்து கதையில் அந்த கதையை படித்தாலே போதும் இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கெலாம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்கலாம். ஸோ கதையை வந்து தெளிவாக படிங்க. Econo beat Dash in his legendary wrestling match. Ameline the Cat. Henry Lawrence is appointed as the Dash in the court of Dalip Singh, East India Company's resident. The fourth section of Wasteland is called Death by Water. Game of Chess. கேம் ஆஃப் செஸ் வந்து செகண்ட் வரும். த ஃபயர் செர்மன் வந்து தேர்டு வரும். டெத் பை வாட்டர் அது வந்து ஃபோர்த். கிரேட் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ் பிலாங் டு த ஜர்னர் கால்ட் பில்டிங் ரோமன். டொரத்தியாஸ் மோர் Celia. Does accompany Mr. Ramsay to the lighthouse at the end of the novel. James and Cam. The first Dash sonnets are addressed to Shakespeare's friend using him to marry and have children. 17. The Dash runs the prison and is reasonable for carrying out the Angelus order. Provost. Dash is the Hotspur's brother-in-law, referred to as a Earl of Moths. Edmund Mortimer. The final couplet of Shakespearean sonnet is in the Dash pentameter, iambic pentameter. Dash visits Malvalio to mock his insanity, once disguised as a priest and again as himself. Feste. Dash is the illegitimate son of Gloucester, Edmund. Nalini's father is Appu and mother is Jayama, in a handful of rice. The third dance, known as Dash by Nadaraja, is performed in the Golden Hall of Chidambaram, Ananda Tandavam. The recurrent narrative pattern of Fry is called of ambiguity is the metaphor. Metaphor the first type. Part 1 of tale of essay Tension in Poetry deals with fallacy of communication. Yes. Adonius is a lament on the death of Keats. Easy questions. Dash is a deceiving or self-deceiving character in fiction, normally an object of ridicule in comedy or satire. Alison. Thrilling assures the new critics that the sense of past exists side by side with the formal elements of the work. The Dash is called as the period of levelled inflections, Middle English period. The word fashion and dress are the Dash words, French. Fashion and dress, French words. Tintin Abbey is written on revisiting the banks of Dash during a tour on July 13, 1798. River Wye. The main theme of Ode to Autumn is Witness is All. Dejection and Ode is addressed to the sister-in-law of Wordsworth, Sarah Hutchinson. Immortality Ode is based on philosophy. Growth of a poet's mind. Andrea Del Sarto is called Das painter, the faultless. The figures of a bird mad of gold is placed on the branch of a Das tree in the Byzantium. Golden tree. The Scholar Gypsy contains many of the conventions of the pastoral genre. Scholar Gypsy on the pastoral genre. Morte d'Oiseau is a narrative poem adapted from Thomas Morley. The Dover Beach highlights the dash of 19th century spiritual discontent. Marlowe through Dr. Faustus gives an old dash a glowing Renaissance setting. Medieval legend. The general influence that acted upon Bacon to evolve a new prose style was the King James Bible. Job had 7 sons and 3 daughters. There are excellent sketches of humbugs and girls of every variety in The Alchemist. The Spanish tragedy opens with the appearance of Andrea's ghost. Reading Macbeth, a full man, there's a ready and man writing an expect man. Conference. Lady Sneer. The war at Das in All for Love. Actium. Apollyon is the lord of the city of destruction. To his coy mistress uses the ancient theme of carpe diem. The dash occurred in 1066 Norman conquest. In the received pronunciation of England, the dash sound has disappeared except before vowels. R. In the contemporary English, dash results from an instinctive desire for freshness and novelty of expression. Slang. The branches of linguistic studies concern itself with the meaning of words and the way of meaning develop in noun semasiology. The dash is a metaphor used by journalists to illustrate the placing of the most important information first within a text, inverted from it. The author of Second Sex, published in 1949, is Simon de Beauvoir. Simon de Beauvoir தான் The Second Sex published நாவலில் வந்து எழுதியிருக்காரு. எப்போ பப்ளிஷ் ஆச்சுன்னா 1949. The national policy on education adopted by the government of India is thus stressed the importance The dash has become a standard way to designate the colonial subject that has been constructed by European discourse and internationalized by colonial people. Subaltern. An avant-garde movement that began in reason to devastation of the World War One, produced nihilistic and anti-ideological prose, poetry and art, and rejected the tradition rules. The ideal of pre-war Europe is Dadaism. A representative novel of beat generalization is Das on the Road, Jack Kerouac. Two of the stories in Canterbury Tales are prose. They are Melliflu's Tale and Parson's Tale. Meliphus and Parson Tale தான் வந்து Canterbury Talesல வந்து prose tale. Meliphus and Parson நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. Meliphus and Parson. Next one, the 96 love poems appeared posthumously in a compendium called Total's Miscellany, White's. Fairy Queen is set out to be a story with Das who undertake various enterprises in her honor. 12 Nights of Elizabeth. A spousal ode privately printed in 1596 is Pratalamian. Connotation. Phoenix. Satan, having compassed the earth with meditated guile, returned as an dash into paradise, missed by night. The dash is an answer to Gossen's The School of Abuse, apology for poetry. The Rape of the Lock is based on an amorous prank played by Das upon Arabella Fermor, Lord Peter. Samson Agonis tells of Samson's death as a prisoner of the Philistines. Das in the ecstasy are represented as standing outside their bodies, the soul of the lovers. The individual self is united into Das in thought of Paraclete, universal self. Susila in the English teacher contacts typhoid after visiting a dirty lavatory. Das is dismissed from his hereditary. Das is dismissed from his hereditary office as village executive chief, Patel Range Gowda. The poems of Geetanjali express a largely metaphysical outlook talking about a union with the Supreme. Munno is Schoolis dies of tuberculosis. Aristotle distinguishes between the genres of poetry in the three ways: matter, subject and method. Coleridge distinguishes between fancy and imagination, drawing on the German philosopher Das distinction. Kant's. In a letter to Das, Keats says, uses the Das poetry as the most prominent example of united sensibility and thought. John Donne. Das is entitled to join in the dialogue and dramatic poesy on an equal footing with the three older men who are his social superiors. John Dryden. Which media is suitable for distance education? Which media is suitable for distance education? Answer is newspaper. The book Education of Man done 19
வாழ்த்துக்கள்டா.
University was started in England on the 1969. Mobile school was first recommended by how many chromosomes are there in human body? So how many chromosomes are there in human body? 46 chromosomes. When learned material is reproduced without any manipulation, it is called root memory. Non-verbal test of intelligence is suitable for all of them: deaf and dumb, illiterates, younger children. The book Theory of Motivation is written by Maslow. Wessler developed an intelligence test for children in the year 1949. Peace Setting School is renamed as Navodaya School. How many open schools are there in Tamil Nadu? 27. Functional literacy program had been started for all of them: workers, tribal people, farmers. National policy on education was adopted in the year 1986. In which level Mahila mandals are organized for adult education? Village level. Rousseau's educational philosophy is negative education. Self-education. Mahila Samakya is a plan for development of women. Vishwa Bharati is located as West Bengal. Who is related to freedom in learning situation? Krishnamurti. Span of vision is measured by statistoscope. Which theory of intelligence was supported by Alfred Binet? Single factor. Psychoanalytic approach of personality was first introduced by Freud. In Kagan's hierarchy, learning has been divided into 8 types. The superior child is advanced to a normal child by at least 2.5 years. The UNESCO had supported the proposal of adult education. யுனெஸ்கோ வந்து அடல்ட் எஜுகேஷனுக்கு வந்து சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ப்ரொப்போசல் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. விச் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ஹேஸ் த லோவஸ்ட் டென்சிட்டி ஆஃப் பாப்புலேஷன் இன் தமிழ்நாடு? சிவகங்கை. Which country started experimental in distance education in the year 1873? USA. Child labor eradication day is held on June 12. Which is called formal agency of education? School. The Constitution of India. The question சொல்லிக்கிறேன். Okay, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Okay, இல்லைங்க சார். The President of India can nominate how many members of Rajya Sabha? Is 12 members. அடுத்து நான். Okay, which is called formal agents of education in the school. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. The President of India can nominate how many members to Rajya Sabha? 12. The common refrigerant in domestic refrigerator is Freon 12. The present Secretary General of the United Nations Organization is Bagimu. India won World Cup hockey in the year 1975. The full form of NABARD, NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The seaport of Pondicherry was Kurkai. Who wrote the book Gora? Rabindranath Tagore. The name by which Asoka is generally referred to his inscription is Priyadarshi. Which of the following provided the revenue for Delhi Sultanate? Karaj.